That's a soccer mama, man. Bumbuckler. Style me. Yeah, man. Uncle, excuse me for 1 minute. Piggy. See it at this may use as the blood clot over 60,000 US a pussy hole. But you now use Canadian money. How are you? Believe Andrew Wall is coming at this blood clot. A soccer mama. See the US there. After me say a girl tell the Canadian them. Me say go test it, she go test it. Then she come round back, but she don't feel the jacket tonight. Hey girl, say 60,000 blood clot US there. I say the same US on the carry back now. And 3.10 million Jamaica. Go suck your mother, they rock with me. Yo, you believe that you can mash up the friendship with me and your son? I hear you spend money your son. The blood clot you. See it here? So, and if you now use it, I'm going to sue you for discrimination. See it here? But test it back again. And then but she send me go around to different cashier. So when I go around to a different cashier now, you know what got me now? The other cashier go style me. Because if I say since Piggy now take it, that means there's something must fake with it. You understand? My you know blood clot coming tell Piggy you don't run for me, I'm sue you. And the first I get mad at this. Don't you? Me know why you help me a Piggy more do the blood clot job, so don't diss me out. How are you? Still look at Andrew Wall, still look at my poor, still look at my thief or scabber. Andrew Wall is something there. I should be glad so that Andrew Wall is scabber. Andrew Wall is what you want to do. You want to send some police to that kill her or lock her up. But the emperor just come style her back. The only difference, see, they go check the money again, pussy wall. Bumba clot. Like you come style the emperor. Millions of dollars in the money. How are you? Remember, you know, the girl go around and go test the money, you know, and come back and say the money real. But she don't want to use it because a jacket, she don't feel something in it. The blood clot. I told you to eat that thing, my order. See that way, child? I have millions more than that. How are you? 60,000 US pussy, well, I'm about the same one. Bumba clot. You're lucky some me feel that friend. I sue you. Discrimination. Can't come around with me. Say the US dollar, I can't come here. Me know why you call that. I can't come hard about the thing with the same money when I here. And don't tell me take it easy, man. I love you, you're elder. Tell she to take it easy and apologize to me. So I get me change now, but suck your mother Piggy. Blood clot, pussy one. My daddy, what I do that first me with me. You understand? You understand? I don't run for me Piggy. Bumba clot. You understand? Me carry the US come here and say, baby, she said she not take the US. So I go and say, yo, some Canadian dollar. She said she not take no Canadian dollar. So me say, wait, I want this a style in this. Andrew Wall she work with. I want to her. So we make sure I got 60,000 US dollar and 3.10 million in a blood clot paper. Wallace Rastaman, can you know how much money we have? How much that we have? It's here, man. How are you? Bumba clot, don't run for my girl. How are you? I want to tell her to suck her mother. More of my things I know. Bumba clot, don't try to style him, bro. Millions of dollars in that thing. How are you, man? I want your family. Come here. You alone, me say different, me just call. Come here. Go allow that post soul. Come here, daddy. 5, 10, 15.
7. And then I alone forget.
That's one of 10 grand. Go buy something with it. Are you alone a different money come here? There are some people post soul. No, never let different money.
What
Bamba clot.
This a
millions of dollars. I don't tell you more. How are you? Millions of dollars. Soccer mama. Millions of dollars. Andrew Wall is scared to buy my shoes. How are you? Yeah, what do you see there? After me give her the money, you know, she got test the money and come on back. But I cannot accept this because it don't feel like it don't have a jacket tonight. Some say a jacket, some say a testimony, yeah. Some say some Canadian dollar, yeah. We don't take Canadian. And then she tell me something go to another somebody, cashier. Some say girl, I'm your style. Me just blood clot go up in the hills and just draw for them, look how broke fucking safe them and take out this order. How do I, man? Millions of dollars, Andrew also check me. Bamba clot. This, me, she will love this, I don't feel.